Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll down to access apps. Click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!